Hey everyone, welcome back to Clinical Physio with me, Khalid Maidan. Today we're going to be taking you through the Varus stress test for the elbow joint. And this test is used to see whether or not our patient has a lesion of the lateral collateral ligament of the elbow. So let's get into the test. We're going to start by bending our patient's elbow to approximately 20 to 30 degrees of flexion. From there, the next thing that we like to do is to tuck the patient's distal forearm just between the biceps and the ribs. I know you can't see that quite clearly, but I'm just tucking it into just underneath my armpit, and that's to stabilize the lower forearm. From here, our handling is as follows. Our stabilizing hand is going to be in a C shape, and it's going to sit just proximal to the elbow joint. And our lower hand is going to be our testing hand. And this is also going to be in a C shape. It's going to be placed just distal to the elbow joint. And we're going to be providing a lateral to medial force, like so, of the radius ulna at just below the joint line of the elbow. So once again, upper hand stabilizing, lower arm providing a lateral to medial force, like so. And by doing so, we are essentially stressing the lateral collateral ligament. So what are the things we're looking for in this test? Well, we're looking for a positive outcome principally of stability. So if there is instability around the elbow when we do this movement, if there is a significant increase in laxity in this movement compared to the other side, this may indicate to us that we have a tear of the lateral collateral ligament. However, you can also look at this test from a pain provocation point of view. So if there isn't a lot of laxity, but if the movement is quite sore and painful, and if the patient says, yeah, actually that really does hurt around the outside of my elbow, it may be because you're stressing the ligament more than it wants to go, and therefore that could be a finding for your results. So in general, do we like this test in clinical practice? Yeah, absolutely. You may see that it's very similar to the Varus test for the knee joint. It's very similar here at the elbow, and it's the principal test that we use to look for stability and integrity or pain provocation of the lateral collateral ligament of the elbow. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you again soon here on Clinical Physio.